living with your spouse. He's down.
Oh, he went down on his first shot.
Go ahead, Kitty, and that.
Yeah.
It's on his face.
Emergency medical services.
Radio. Please.
It's just my normal rep. They use 8,000.
Normal rep.
Yeah.
You can't appeal a motion.
All right, we have one more matter. It is in the matter of Christopher. Is it Joseph?
Yes.
This writ is misspelled. And Houston Smith. That's you.
Yes, yes, sir.
And Mr. Gertz here is your attorney, and the state's attorney is present. There is a motion or an application for writ of habeas corpus requesting a reasonable bond with the inference that the 800,000 was not reasonable. At least one man's opinion says that. Let me look at this circumstances. You know what I need to
There.
public safety report?
Look. There.
I've got a public safety report here.
Thank you, Ellen.
You're welcome.
Good move, quickly.
And the people too. But when I'll put it on the website, please.
This is all he's been ever arrested for?
Yes, Judge.
That's true.
Yes.
Yes.
You can speak up. Okay. Sometimes help me on that. All right, generally, bonds are set based upon criminal history and circumstances of the offense. And then other circumstances become an issue. That is, if a bond is going to be posted, the ability to follow up with the requirements of a bond. Where do you live? I know where you're residing now, but do you live in Groves?
No, sir. I live in Needleland.
You previously lived in Groves.
Yes, sir.
I grew up in Groves. This is not what Groves stands for. All right. I think I see here why. Imagine who set this bond originally.
And Judge Jerome, Judge.
I see why he would have set this. According to the probable cause affidavit here, law enforcement obtained warrants to get certain accounts that you were associated with. It's something called KIK Messenger, which I'm not real familiar with. But what they recovered, the police recovered, was a large amount of what they claim is child pornography that was associated with you here. The probable cause affidavit states that the writer, which is Detective Perkins of Needleland PD, observed 40 images and videos depicting child pornography, 31 of the videos depicting children being sexually assaulted. Further, according to this statement, the writer, Detective Perkins, the author of this probable cause affidavit, observed the suspect, you, to have uploaded photographs and videos of yourself to the account. And he was able to verify you by comparing the videos to your driver's license. Also, and most probably the most disturbing part of this, I also, according to the detective, it was observed that you have communicated with other individuals on KIK, this system, communication system, about your sexual fantasies which included sexually assaulting and murdering infant children. Can you explain that?
Judge, I'm going to ask him not to answer that question.
All right. Well, anything else?
No, other than I don't even know if the bond is sufficient as it is. But
One of the most disturbing things I've read in my career. And I've seen it all, I thought. And number one, child pornography continues to be abusive to the child. It continues to victimize children when it's out there. Child pornography is bad enough in its very essence. But when someone professes to, professes sexual fantasy of sexually assaulting and murdering infant children, that puts it into the potential harm and jeopardy of others in a new light. I don't think, and I've been a part of, from the Jamesburg murders to all types of crimes, but I don't think I've ever read such a horrifying and concerning statement about someone's thoughts, a human being's thought that murdering children would be amusing. Well, that's the inference. $800,000 is, I'm not lowering it. Judge DeRuin, I find, based upon the circumstances of this case, a fair determination. But if you happen to be able to post this bond, we have to have a hearing so that conditions of release would be appropriate based upon these circumstances, which would be a long list plus a list that would include all thoughts I would have to ensure that the safety of children could be preserved if you were released. And it would include at least home confinement, no access to internet. Are you married or single?
I'm married.
Sir?
He's married, Judge. Yes.
Any children? Do you have any children? Oh, okay.
No, sir.
Do you cohabitate with your spouse? Are you living with your spouse? He's down.
Oh, he went down on his first shot.
Go ahead, Kitty, and that.
Yeah.
On his face.
Emergency medical services.
Radio. Please.
No.
He passed out.
Just relax.
Radio.
Thank you. Can I get up? That's good.
Don't get up, just sit.
Just sit on the floor.
Sorry, I apologize.
You sit right there.
Where's he bleeding from?
No,
It keeps head
hit
up.
his face first, Judge.
Ready.
Luckily he didn't do that, but he hit his face first. So.
Need some medical services. Thank you. Yeah, he's bleeding.
Yeah.
From face wound. All right.
The jury.
Are you ready to go?